The most pervasive piece of physiological advice in the world is to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Human hydration is not a plumbing issue. It is a chemistry equation. Pouring liquid into your digestive tract does not mean that liquid is actually making it into your cells. If you are drinking gallons of purified, mineral-stripped water and still feeling thirsty, lethargic, or suffering from brain fog, your issue isn't a lack of water. It is a failure of osmosis. Phase 1. Extracellular versus intracellular water. To understand hydration, you must understand where water lives in the body. Roughly 1/3 of your body's water is extracellular, in your blood plasma and the spaces between cells. The other 2/3 must be intracellular, trapped inside the cells themselves. When you drink plain, purified water, it enters your bloodstream, the extracellular space. But water cannot just freely flow into a cell. It requires a chemical gradient to pull it across the cell membrane. This pull is governed by the rules of osmosis. Water always moves toward the highest concentration of minerals. Phase 2. The sodium-potassium pump. The gatekeepers of this osmotic gradient are electrolytes, specifically sodium and potassium. Your cells use an active transport mechanism called the sodium-potassium pump. This pump constantly pushes sodium out of the cell and pulls potassium in. This creates an electrical charge and a concentration gradient. If your blood is devoid of sodium and other trace minerals because you've been chugging purified reverse osmosis water all day, there is no chemical force to push the water inside the cell. The water just sits in the extracellular space. Phase 3. The flushing effect. Dilutional hyponatremia. What happens to that trapped extracellular water? Your kidneys detect a drop in blood osmolarity, meaning your blood is too thin and lacks minerals. In an effort to maintain homeostasis and protect your brain from swelling, your kidneys immediately trigger a diuretic response. You pee the water out. Worse, as you excrete this water, you wash away even more of your body's stored sodium and magnesium. You are literally flushing your own electrolytes down the drain, leaving you more dehydrated at a cellular level than before you drank the water. Phase 4. The biological fix, structuring your water. Historically, humans never drank pure H2O. We drank from rivers, springs, and wells that naturally dissolved rocks and soil, filling the water with calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium. To achieve true intracellular hydration, you must recreate this mineral matrix. Adding a pinch of high-quality, unrefined sea salt or a dedicated electrolyte powder to your water changes its chemistry. You provide the sodium required to activate the pump, pulling the water out of the blood and into the mitochondria where it is actually needed for energy production. Conclusion. Thirst is not just a signal for water, it is a signal for minerals. Stop treating your body like a passive sponge and start treating it like the complex electrical battery it is.